Hello everyone, my name is Hajra and welcome to my CS50W project for Network, a threads-like social network that I have named LinkUp. This platform allows users to create posts, follow others, and interact with content. Right now, as an unauthenticated user, I can view all posts in the feed, but I cannot interact with any content or follow users without an account. To access all features, I'll register a new user account. Let me create a username Ron, email address ron@email.com, password and confirm password, and now I'll click register. Perfect. Now I'm logged in as Ron, and you can see the full navigation, all posts, new post, following, and my username Ron at the top right corner. The all posts page shows content from all users in reverse chronological order, each displaying the username, timestamp, content, and like counts. Now I'll click on new post. Authenticated users can create posts with both text and images using this new post form. I'll type here and now I'll click post. My new post immediately appears in the all posts feed, showing my username Ron, the current timestamp, and starting with 0 likes. Clicking any username takes us to their profile page. Here we can see Taylor Swift's profile with follower statistics and all her posts in chronological order. As an authenticated user, I can follow Taylor Swift by clicking this follow button, and the follower count updates immediately. Now let's explore the following feed. The following page shows a personalized feed with posts only from users I follow, in this case Taylor Swift. This creates a curated experience where users only see content from people they are interested in, similar to how Threads and Twitter work. Now, to ensure optimal performance with growing content, when there are more than 10 posts, pagination automatically enables. Let me demonstrate navigating between pages. The next button loads older posts, while previous would take us back to the newer content. This ensures optimal performance even with thousands of posts. Pagination works consistently across all posts, profile pages, and the following feed. Now let's demonstrate the edit post functionality. Users can edit their own posts. Notice this edit button appears only on my post, not on others' content. By clicking on this edit button, the post content transforms into an editable text area without page reload. This uses JavaScript fetch calls. Now I'll edit this text to this, and I'll click Save Changes. The update saves instantly, and we see the revised content without any page refresh. This provides a seamless editing experience. Speaking of seamless interactions, the like system uses asynchronous JavaScript for real-time interaction. Let me like Katie's post. This like count increments immediately from 3 to 4 without page reload, and the button shows active state. Clicking again unlikes the post, decrementing the count back to 3. All this happens through JavaScript API calls. Each interaction is instantaneous, providing immediate feedback while maintaining smooth user experience. Beyond post interactions, I can also navigate to my own profile by clicking on my username in the top right corner. Here we see my personal profile page showing 0 followers and 1 following along with all my posts. Notice that on my own profile, I don't see a follow button since users can't follow themselves. This completes the full user profile functionality where users can track their social metrics and manage their content. Okay, so to summarize, users register, create and edit posts, follow others, view personalized feeds, and interact through likes, all with proper pagination and real-time updates. This completes all specified requirements for the network project, demonstrating a fully functional social network with Django backend and JavaScript front-end interactions. Thank you for watching my LinkHub network demonstration.